Alright, good day everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Scasaligan Vlogs. And today we'll be talking about product to sum and sum to product identities. So this is trigonometry. So we have here product to sum and sum to product identities. So we have product to sum here in the left side and sum to product in the right side. So we have here example of product to sum formulas. We have sine u sine v is equal to 1/2 the quantity of u minus b minus cos u plus b quantity. For the sum to product formulas, we have sine x plus sine y is equal to sine quantity of x plus y over 2 cosine of x minus y over 2. So these are the product to sum and sum to product identities. So let us have first example number 1. Write each expression as the sum or difference of trigonometric function. So we have here 4 cos 75 degrees and sine 25 degrees. And letter B, sine 4x and sine 5x. So let's start with letter A, problem number 1. So in problem number A, we have letter A, we have 4 cosine of 75 degrees and sine 25 degrees. So this is in the form of here cos u and sine v is equal to 1/2. We have the quantity of sine u plus v minus sine u plus v. Alright, or rather u minus v. This is minus v, quantity, then quantity. So this is in the form of cos u sine v. So this is minus actually. So we have here cos u sine v is equal to 1/2 sine u plus b minus sine u plus b. So we have to distribute the here the 1/2. So this will become 1/2 sine u plus v minus 1/2 sine u minus v. Then this is the answer for cos u sine v. So what is the answer for this one? We have 4 cosine of 75 degrees and sine 25 degrees. So our u here is this 75 degrees and our v is equal to 25 degrees. So we have here 4, starting with 4 times the quantity because this is for all. So we have sine 1/2 sine, what is our u? 75 degrees plus 25 degrees minus 1/2 sine, what is our u? U is equal to 75 degrees minus 25 degrees. So 1/2. So this will become, we are going to simplify this one. This is 4 and 2 here cancel. So we have here 2 sine 100 degrees minus 2 because you're going to have 4 and this is 1/2 2 sine 50 degrees. So this is the final answer for letter A. So let's have letter B. For letter B, we have 6 sine 4x 6 sine 5x. Alright, so this is the form of sine u and sine v is equal to the 1/2 of cosine u minus v minus cosine of u plus v. Right. So we have to distribute the 1/2 here. Okay. So 1/2 here cos u plus v. In this part, so our u is equal to this part, and this is our v. So therefore, 6 sine 4x sine 5x is equal to 6, the quantity of 1/2, cosine of, what is our u? 4x, minus the v is 5x, minus 1/2, cosine of, what is our u? We have 4x plus 5x. Okay, so distribute here 6, it will become 3, and it's also become 3. 3. So they have 3 cos negative x minus 3 cos 9x. So take note, we have here the negative argument identity. We have cos negative x is equal to cos x. So this is the negative argument identity. So therefore we have 3 cos x minus 3 cos 9x. So this is the answer. Okay, so we are done with problem number 1. So at home, please try this. Stop for this part. Try this number 1. Write each expression as a sum or difference of trigonometric functions. 2 sine 58 degrees and cosine 102 degrees, and 8 sine 77x and sine 9x. So try this one at home and stop. Try this number 1. So moving on to problem number 2. Write each expression as a product of trigonometric functions. So we have here the problem, cos 4x minus cos 2x. And we have number 2, sine 2 theta minus sine 4 theta. So let's start with number 1. In number 1, the problem is cos 4x minus cos 2x. Let's divide this first, or not, later. So we have cos x minus cos y. This is in the form of this one. We have negative 2 sine, we have x plus y over 2 sine, we have x minus y over 2. So this is a form when you have cos 4x minus cos 2x. So we have here, this is our x and this is our y. So the value for our x is equal to 4x and y is equal to 2x. So in this form, we have cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to negative 2 sine. Our x here is 4x plus 2x over 2 sine x is 4x minus 2x over 2. So this is negative sine 4x times plus 2x is 6x divided by 2. We have 3x. And we have 4x minus 2x over 2, that is equal to sine x. So therefore we have cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to negative 2 sine 3x and sine x. Okay, that's answer for number 1. So let's proceed with number 2. Sine 2 theta minus sine 4 theta. So we have here sine x minus sine y. So the form of this one is sine x minus sine y. We have 2 cosine, we have x plus y over 2 sine x minus y over 2. So we have here our x and this is our y. So in having this one, we have sine 2 theta minus sine 4 theta is equal to 2 cosine, our x is 2 theta plus our y is 4 theta over 2 sine, our x is equal to 2 theta minus 4 theta divided by 2. So we have here the answer, 2 cosine, we have 6x divided by 2, we have 3 theta, sine, we have 2 theta minus 4 theta is equal to negative 2 theta, divided by 2, we have negative theta. So we have here 2 cos 3 theta and sine negative theta. So sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. So therefore we have here negative here. So we have negative 2 cos 3 theta sine theta. So we have sine 2 theta minus sine 4 theta. So this is a form of negative argument identities. So this is the answer. So we have here another try this for you at home. We have try this number 2. So we have write each expression as a product of trigonometric functions. So sine 25 degrees plus sine negative 48 degrees and cosine 4x plus cosine 5x. So try this one at home. I hope everyone you feel at home answering those problems. So we have now in problem number 3. Verify the following identities. So we have here cos 5x plus cos 9x is equal to 2 cos 7x cos 2x. Letter B, cos 3a minus cos 7a is equal to 2 sine 5a and sine 2a. Let's start with letter A. So in letter A, we have here the problem. So cos 5x plus cosine 9x is equal to 2 cos 7x cos 2x. So we could perform it by left or side. We have to change left or we have to change right. In this case, let us have first in the first problem that we have to change the left side. So we have in the left side, this is in the form of 2 cosine x plus y over 2 and sine x minus y over 2. So this form is for this part. So therefore, we have the answer for this one is, if we're going to equate this, we have 2, our x here, and this is our y. So 2 cosine of x, which is 5x plus 9x over 2 sine x 5x minus 9x over 2 is equal to 2 cosine 7x cos 2x. So we have here 2 cosine of 5x plus 9x, 14 divided by 2, we have 7x. So sine 5x minus 9x divided by 2, that is equal to, we have, by the way, this is cosine. Alright, cosine. Okay, so cosine here, cosine 5x minus 9x divided by 2, that is negative 2, negative 2x, negative 4x divided by 2, we have negative 2x is equal to 2 cosine 7x cosine 2x. So we have here 2 cosine 7x, and this is negative argument identity that cos negative 2x is equal to cos 2x. So therefore cos 2x is equal to 2 cos 7x cos 2x. So therefore this is an identity. That's all for letter A. So let's proceed with letter B. We have cos 3a minus cos 7a is equal to 2 sine 5a and sine 9a. Alright, so we have in a problem, so sine 2a, rather this is 2a. In the problem, let's have first, this is sine 2a. So 2 sine 5a and sine 2a. Okay, so if we move this part, we have to move this part. So we have the two conditions. If moving here, you can have moved this one. So let's try first so that you can be able to see if I'm moving the right side. So we have here cos 3a minus cos 7a is equal to, this is in the form of 2. We have 1/2 cosine of u minus v minus 1/2 cosine of u plus v. Alright, so we have here, we're going to cancel this part. We have cosine u minus v minus cosine u plus v. Our u here is equal to 3a and v is equal to 7a. So therefore we have cosine, what is our u? We have 3a minus 7a minus cosine of 3a plus 7a. So we have your cosine of negative 4a minus cosine of 10a. Rather this is, no, this is not. This is our AU rather, and this is our V, this not part. So this is 5A minus 2A rather, and this is 5A plus 2A. So therefore this is 3A and this is 7A. Okay, so we have here cosine by identities, negative argument identities, it will become cosine 3a minus cosine 7a. So therefore cosine 3a minus cosine 7a is checked. So this is an identity. So thank you so much. Sorry for that correction. We have here u and v. So we have here the problem. So thank you so much for listening and try to answer this one. Try this number 3. So verify the following identities. So we have here, we are now in try this number 3. So that's all about the sum to product and product to sum identities. So thank you so much for listening and I hope you will solve. Try this 1, 2, 3. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.